Thanks for dropping into Hallies Creations. I'm Hallie. Let's make a wreath. This wreath form I picked up at the Dollar Tree for everyone together, $1.25. This form actually has two in it, so two for the price of one. Yay. Also, the zip ties that I'm showing you here, I picked up at the Dollar Tree as well. And you can also pick those up at the 99-cent store, Harbor Freight, anywhere pretty much. What I would suggest is using the flat end when you're putting them through the wire and that knobby part. Otherwise, it's not going to snug tight. And the fabric I'm showing you is a napkin that we thinned out all the way to the single layer, Mod Podge it to the fabric, let it dry, and now we're going to put this on the wreath form. And you're going to see why we did that down the line. But wait, there's more. That fabric is actually what I used for the lettering on the board that this wreath form goes to. I created a home sign for the front door, wherever it is down here. And yeah, I'm going to have it pop here somewhere. But anyway, that's why I wanted to have the fabric match. So here you're just using your fabric that you've done with your napkin that you Mod Podge to make it match. Then you're also using ribbon and lace. So it's really super easy to do, and you can actually use scraps that you have. And this is just the technique that you do for a rag wreath anyway. And then 1/4 of it, actually I take that back, about 1/4 of it, I put white satin ribbon on it, and I twist knotted it to give it that different dimension and to have it look just a little different. It's kind of fun and funky. Here too, you're not going to have to put on a back hook or anything, because with that form, it's going to hook right onto your signboard. So that'll be another tutorial to show you how to do that. And then the twist knot. I actually, when I recorded this, it did not record. Don't know why. And I had no more white fabric, but I did it in a different fabric, same technique. So when you look at that wreath form, you can see that technique, but it's basically wrap and twist, wrap and twist. And you're probably going, what is she talking about? But you'll see in a moment what I'm talking about. It's coming up. So here you just want to snip and rip before you get that really fun raw edge on these. And yes, it will do that. So you're, I'm pointing that out. But on the tutorial for the board itself, for the signboard, it's going to have the technique on how I did the Mod Podge for the fabric, as well as this wreath form will be on that, as well as how I did this out, the porch sign. This fabric here, because it's stiff, you're going to crumble it up. So I'm doing crumble to make it more pliable. So have fun with it. Go through, get yourself some really good clippers. Don't use the scissors on these zip ties. They'll just tear up your scissors. But trim off all those ties. And what I do is when I put those ties on, I twist them to the back where I don't have those knobbies sticking out. And again, as I shared, if you're going to use like a white fabric, how I'm doing, you may want to use the white zip ties. The reason I did not do that is, one, I wanted you to be able to see what I'm doing. So I used colored, and I knew that I was going to bunch it all together, so you're not going to see it anyway. And yeah, that's why. So here we're just going to make a little loop with the ribbon, another little loop with the that's a blooper, another loop with the fabric, or a loop with the tulle, whichever you're putting on at the time, and then zip tie them to the frame in the little sections that you see that looks good for you. I want to encourage you to put it on loosely to begin with. Zip tie them tight, but put them on loosely. As you slide them up and down the form, you're going to see those little spaces where you want to put a little bit more here, a little bit less there. Sometimes I see when students make things, they're just trying to get it all crammed in there. You don't have to do that, because when you twist and fluff it, it's going to just pop. It's going to look really cool. So that shows you there, gives you a little idea what we're going for. And we're just going to go through and fill those in. You don't have to put bows. You don't have to tie knots, because the zip ties are doing it all for you. So just zip tie it, snug it, and move on. With the heat and everything out here in Arizona, my studio being out in my third part garage, I have air conditioning out there, but I chose to do a few of my shares inside because it's hot. It's so hot. So here you're seeing where I'm showing you this form, and you see here where the white is with the white ribbon lace, that satin. Yeah, I'm sorry, it didn't record. I own it. I didn't check to make sure the little red dot was going. So be looking for the next share to show you that technique. And it'll be coming out real soon because I've already got it done. I just have to edit and upload it. But it's just wrap it around the form, twist it, wrap it around the form, twist it, wrap it around the form. And there you go. So there's the board that I made this form for. You can interchange this wreath with different wreaths. And this was so much fun to do. I had a lot of fun with this one. Great wedding, great new home, great just to decorate your home with, whatever you want. We're also going to be doing some different seasons. So we'll see winter, spring, summer, fall boards coming out and the wreaths to go with that as well. So much fun. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit your like button. This is the one that's going to show you how to do the technique, and that'll be another share. And have a good day, better tomorrow. May the Lord bless you and keep you. To my grands, peace out. Bye. I know my chair's squeaking.